If you want to master English pronouns in just a few minutes, this video is for you. Simple, clear, and real-life examples. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn all English pronouns step by step with simple examples. Here is a complete pronoun chart in English. We have subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. Now, let's look at each one with examples. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are the subject of the sentence. They usually come at the beginning of a sentence. Subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Let's see some examples. I am learning English. I am learning English. You look great today. You look great today. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. She works in a bank. She works in a bank. It is raining now. It is raining now. We are learning English together. We are learning English together. You did a great job today. You did a great job today. They are my neighbors. They are my neighbors. In all these sentences, the subject pronoun is doing the action. Now, let's move on to object pronouns. Object pronouns receive the action. They usually come after the verb. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Let's look at some examples. They invited me to the party. They invited me to the party. I will call you later. I will call you later. I saw him at the store yesterday. I saw him at the store yesterday. I bought flowers for her. I bought flowers for her. I found it on the table. I found it on the table. They invited us to dinner. They invited us to dinner. We will see you tomorrow. We will see you tomorrow. I met them at the park. I met them at the park. In all these sentences, the object pronoun receives the action. Next, we have possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show ownership and come before a noun. The possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, theirs. Let's see some examples. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. Is this your phone? Is this your phone? His bag is on the chair. His bag is on the chair. I love her eyes. I love her eyes. The dog wagged its tail. The dog wagged its tail. Our teacher is very kind. Our teacher is very kind. Is this your house? Is this your house? They forgot their tickets. They forgot their tickets. Now, let's look at possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns also show ownership, but they replace the noun. The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, not used, ours, yours, theirs. Let's look at some examples. This book is mine. This book is mine. Is this bag yours? Is this bag yours? That laptop is his. That laptop is his. The red car is hers. The red car is hers. There is no possessive pronoun form for its. This house is ours. This house is ours. This table is yours. This table is yours. That boat is theirs. That boat is theirs. Finally, let's look at reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns show that the subject and object are the same. Reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Let's see some examples. I taught myself English. I taught myself English. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. He fixed the car himself. He fixed the car himself. She made the cake herself. She made the cake herself. The door opened by itself. The door opened by itself. We prepared everything ourselves. We prepared everything ourselves. You should take care of yourselves. You should take care of yourselves. They built the house themselves. They built the house themselves. Great job! Now you know all the main English pronouns. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple English lessons. See you in the next video.